Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add an intro video to your community on Skool. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add an intro video to your community here on Skool. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto the About Me page here, and then you're going to click on this plus icon here, and then this is where you could actually drag and drop a YouTube video link or drag and drop a video file here, or you can upload an image. But in our case, we're trying to add an intro video, so we'll add one here. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add an intro video to your community on Skool. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.